like the type of Microsoft Office 365 licenses used for business users. So here there are multiple Office 365 licenses here discussed, and here it's the list where first is the Business Basic, which provides access to online and mobile version for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, along with email, cloud storage, and Microsoft Teams. So with this, you can also access the Word, Excel, PowerPoint with email on your mobile devices as well as tablet devices. And the second is the business standard license, which also includes the desktop version of these apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and MailChimp, Clipchamp. Here also that you can manage the desktop version of this mobile for these apps. And about the business premium license, guys, this is also includes the business standard plus the advanced security with advanced security and device management. Advanced security in the sense like here we can see that the security in the sense. So guys, here the advanced security in device management we will discuss. So suppose I have a business premium license of Office 365. Okay, MS Office 365 so, business premium license. Now, with this business premium license, when we talk about the security part, guys, so in this, how the security will be managed? So the security will depend upon the file level or folder level encryption. Okay, means like we have to ensure that the file should be go in a very secure way if you want to transfer these files by SFTP protocol or by FTP protocol. And also the password protected thing also should be there. Suppose you want to say send the file by means of password, we want to ensure that the file should be go in a safe hands with the password protected. So that also we can achieve with this type of Office 65 premium business premium license. And the app for business, no, that also include the desktop versions with 1 TB of cloud storage per user. Okay, now 1 TB, it will be depending upon the workloads, like what you are achieving. But the criteria is it's for per user when storage for user. Like one user will use allocate that storage of 1 TB for to manage the file transfers or to manage the file management in our Office 65 app for business license. No basis with which there are other three licenses, which are E1, E2, and E3 license, which we have discussed in our day one class, the basic part. Now here we'll discuss a bit little, like in detail for the E1, E2, and E3 license. Now the E1 license that includes the basic services, which are online office apps, email, and storage. So we can use the OneDrive online only through directly login to the Office 365 portal, which we will discuss in our late upcoming videos. Okay, and similarly, so this they want to ensure that these files or this management should be done online by means of E1 license. Then we talk about not this E3 and E5 license. Okay, even E3 license, the E3 license includes advanced security with compliance features and desktop apps. So suppose you want to protect our desktop app, then here the advanced security will come. Means advanced security in the sense the compliance will take place. Like we need to ensure that our the apps so that should be secure. We from the PCI compliance like advanced security for where mobile apps or our devices on cloud. So that security can be achieved using E3. And the PCI compliance we'll discuss also in detail when we do provision the machines, virtual machines, and provide them the security. Now, E5 license, guys, it includes all the E3 features which you have discussed, like for the compliance and security part. Now, also there is could be the analytics and advanced security. Means like through this E5 license, is what we can do. We can manage those parts in specific parts. We can manage here like analytics plus advanced security. Suppose and we can manage a reporting or analytic part we can do here. Reporting and analytics means like we have to pull the data of the last 5 days the uptime of the the virtual machines which are lying in our cloud environment. Okay, or we also take the analytics or insights of the for health checkup of each virtual machine. So that kind of office MS Office 65 license which can used for business or users view. Now also we will discuss the interface part now, like how we can proceed, how we can assign these licenses for Office 365 guys. So this is the scenario for this. First we'll log into Office 365 portal and we navigate to host pilot control panel with the services, and we go to resources and preferences will go, and this will be the screen where we will see the resources, and this will be the admin panel. So we'll discuss it later. And now to access the admin center, we'll click on this app launcher and we select the admin here, options at the right more corner. Now once logged into this Office 365 admin center, you'll see that we can navigate to billing, and with licenses when we go, then we can see the list of license types guys here. See the total number of available licenses and the total number of licenses which are assigned to the users. So here you can see this is the available license we have. Okay, guys, so this is the available license 96 for this one, and through this assigned licenses out of 100 license, 4 licenses assigned, the 96 is remaining. Similarly for enterprise security and mobility, E5 license out of 250 license, only one license is assigned, so the available licenses are 249. Okay, guys. So likewise, these are the licenses which are involved in it. And now when we assign or unassign license for one user, we can also ensure that that license gets revoked successfully for that specific user. Now, once we logged into the admin center, we can go to users and active users. Now you can log then check the box next to the user which you want to remove or assign those licenses and apps. Okay, so this is the theoretical part, guys, where we can see that with the graphical user interface, that how the license assignment is done in the license apps. And here you can see this the when we click on the active users part. Okay, so there we'll see this thing like licenses and apps, and there you can see the assign or add or remove those licenses to the specific users by clicking on the checkbox. Okay, and simply if you want to unassign license, you can deselect the license. So this is very user friendly interface for Office 65 Admin Center, and after that you can click on the Save Changes. So, and these are the list of licenses which you will see, which are all selected, and in this way you can assign or revoke a license or deactivate a license for the Office 65 users. So I hope this video will be clear for the basics part, and thank you for watching.